We need to assemble. Excavator. Hooray! Filling. Excavator. Choose the refueling gun of the same color as the tank. Pump. We did it! Let's prepare the banks of the stream. Now we need to wash it clean. Excavator. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Amazing! We have to assemble. Lift crane. You are doing really great. Filling. Lift crane. Pump. Done! Let's prepare the bridge supports. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Hooray! You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Done! We have to assemble. Cherry picker truck. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Cherry picker truck. Pump. Don't stop. Let's place the frame. Let's wash. Cherry picker truck. Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. Hooray! We need to assemble. Mini loader. Keep it up. Now we need to fill it. Mini loader. Pump. We did it! Now let's paint the frame. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Done! Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. Hooray! First, we need to assemble. Covered truck. Ready. Filling. Covered truck. Pump. Done! Let's finish the bridge and place the railing. Now we need to wash it clean. Covered truck. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Amazing! We have to assemble. Pickup truck. Ready. First, we have to fill it. Pickup truck. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's polish and saturate the boards. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep it up. Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. Ready. First, we have to fill it. Drop side truck. Pump. Hooray! Let's make a road to the bridge. The bridge is ready. Now getting to the other side is easy. Hooray!